Welcome back to Boss Uncaged podcast. On today's show, we got a special guest. Well, let me start it off the way he would start off his podcast. Great morning, Lenny the boss is in the building. so, so Lenny, man, tell people a little bit about who you are, man, and what you do.
Man, like it's funny because I really love when people ask me that question because, I'm a little different with saying who I am. The first thing I like to say is, man, I have a strong relationship with my Savior, right? And the second thing I just would love for people to know about me is that I am a family guy, right? Like, I sit here and I love, I'm an amazing husband. I'm an amazing father. I am a grandfather, right? I have a host of brothers and sisters that I love, and I have a host of friends. But the three most important things I want people to leave when they leave me or in my presence is these three things, right? You should leave me educated, you should leave me inspired, and you should leave me motivated. So those are the three things that you should leave. Those are the things I should put onto you after you leave my presence. But outside that, I'm a real estate investor. I really love real estate. I really love helping, really the beginners and people who want to scale and just teach them on how they can, bring in some extra income on just to help out, help out with the bills, help out with, going on more vacations, help out with their way of life, and also some people just want to structure out a way where they can be rent-free or leave their employment. So, I love to do that. I love to work with 9 to 5, and I got a 9 to 5 myself. I'm a VP of operations, manage over 130 people. And, and I relate, right? Like I relate with time management, I relate, with those things. I teach those things because people just believe that they don't have the time. They believe that they don't have the focus. They believe that they can't make the decision because they don't have the knowledge. So that's me in a nutshell.